Okay, let's take a look at number 16 on page 253. For each graph, write an equation in the form y equals a cos b x minus c plus d. Remember, the cos graph starts at 0, 1. Sorry, yeah, 0, 1 starts here. Okay, so as a reference, the amplitude A equals max minus min divided by 2, which is 3 minus negative 1 divided by 2, or 2. The period, if we take a look from here to here, is pi minus 0, which is pi. Pi equals 2 pi over b. So b is equal to 2. The start of the first cycle of a cosine curve is to the right of the y-axis. So the start of the cosine curve is right here. It's to the right of the y-axis, which is at pi over 4. So c is pi over 4 because it's a movement to the right. The vertical displacement, well, we take a look at the midline, and the midline is max plus min divided by 2. The midline is at 1, so d equals 1. So the equation in the form y equals a cos b x minus c plus d is y equals 2 cos 2 x minus pi over 4 plus 1. B. Okay, remember the cos graph starts at the top. Lousy graph, but that's okay. Okay, the amplitude is max minus min. So A is equal to 1 minus negative 3 divided by 2, which is 2. The period is 3 pi over 2 minus pi over 2. Period equals 3 pi over 2 minus and negative pi over 2, which is 2 pi. So B will be equal to 1. The start of the cycle on the cosine curve is to the left of the y-axis. So we can see here, it's to the left of the y-axis. It's right here. So C equals negative pi over 2. D is our midline, which is 1 minus 2 divided by 2, which is right here, which is negative 1.5. So D equals negative 1.5. So our equation is y equals, well, this is from 1 to 1, 1 to negative 3, sorry. So the D will be, fix that, period, D will be equal to negative 1. Okay, so the equation is y equals 2 cos x plus pi over 2 minus 1. because we have y equals a cos b x minus c plus d. Okay, take a look at the last one. If we take a look, the amplitude is equal to max minus min divided by 2. The amplitude is 1. The period, we can go from here to here. So the period is 3 pi minus pi, which is 2 pi, and 2 pi equals 2 pi over b, so b equals 1. The start of the first cycle of the cosine curve is to the right of the y-axis, so it'll start right here. So c equals pi. The vertical displacement, here is my midline. D, the vertical displacement is 1. So we have an equation for y equals a cos b x minus c plus d is y equals 1 cos 1 x minus pi plus 1.